How to add people on Telegram by username. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add people by using their username, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add people by username, tap on the pencil icon at the top. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find search option at the top, just right here. Then tap on it. Then simply write the username of that person. For example, that person's name is Ariana, just like this. And now you can see the person just right here. And if you still don't see the person's name, keep on tapping onto that person's full username just like this. Then it will simply appear right here. Then simply tap onto that person icon and simply send the message. And you can also add them to contacts by tapping onto their name just right here. Then here you can find add to contacts just right here. Then simply add them. And that's it. This is how you can add people on Telegram by the username. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.